Hey friends, if you wish to remove the new Bing chat button on your Microsoft Edge bar, then I will help you with it. And I'll tell you why people wish to remove it, because the second you scroll over it, it opens Bing chat, which may be unnecessary for a lot of people and they may not want this to pop up when they're searching for queries. Now, since Microsoft is pushing for Copilot, actually the Bing chat bar is Copilot, nothing else. It's the same thing. So since Microsoft Edge is pushing for Copilot, Microsoft is pushing for Copilot, it will keep bothering you with notifications, and it will keep bothering you with the symbol here. So if you wish to remove it, then open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots at the top right corner, select Settings, go to Sidebar on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, there is an option which says Always Show Sidebar. Disable it. It will remove the sidebar. And for this Copilot thing, click on Copilot, and then it says Show Copilot here. You can uncheck this box to remove the Copilot icon. Or if you simply want it to be there but you do not want Copilot to open in the sidebar, then uncheck this box. And you can also remove the shopping notifications here whenever you search for the price of any product. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.